Good morning, class.
Morning.
Today is the 16th of April. We're doing perimeter and area of rectangles and parallelograms. We know that we know to calculate perimeter. We didn't spend much time on that. We know the area of a parallelogram or of a rectangle is base times height or length times width, however you want to express that. We have a parallelogram shown here. We've got some numbers attached to it. We want to calculate the area. Who would like to come up and show us how this area shall be calculated? Niall, let's do this thing. Are you ready?
Yep.
Okay, let's go. Clock is ticking.
Alright. So, first you look at the difference between these two sides right here.
Yep.
Charles! Oh, no, now it's
works.
working. So the difference between these two is this is 5 and this is 7, and we have this area right here. So this is going to be 2, and then you have 3 and 2 right here, and so then you basically do the Pythagorean theorem. So you
Because
have,
why do we need to figure out what this is right here?
so then we can multiply base times height.
Yeah, because this is not our height. The 3 it doesn't represent our height, right?
Yep.
Okay, keep going.
Alright, so now you have 2 squared plus h squared. I know this is supposed to be b squared, but I'm going to call it h so we can so it can represent the height.
Okay.
And then equals 3 squared. So 4 plus h squared equals 9, and then we subtract 4 from both sides.
4 or 5?
5. Whoops. Subtract 4 from both sides. And then we have 5 equals h squared. Then we find the square root. And so then we rounded. We have 2.26. Is that right?
Is that right? 2.2. 2.24, he says.
Alright.
They say.
And so then we just multiply 2.24 times 7, since we already found our height. And so 2.24 times 7. So that would be 15.82.
All right.
15.68.
He's going off his memory here, so pretty good.
Yeah.
15.68
Units squared.
units squared. Don't forget your label, yeah. Okay. Nice job, Niall. Questions, comments? Yes, ma'am.
Since he rounded, do you want us to use a rounded number?
So that's what I'd have to tell you in the problem. Since he rounded the height of the parallelogram, is this answer actually accurate?
Well,
No,
that's without it rounded. If he actually did 2.24 times 7, it would be 15.65.
Well, that's without it rounded. So if you are going to round it, if it's 2.24 times 7, it would be 15.65. Is that right? Doesn't seem right to me. What's 2.24 times 7? Yeah, that's right. I was going to say, that seems right to me. So because he rounded it, his answer should be 15.68. If he wouldn't have rounded it, if you had just left the square root as 2.2 whatever, multiplied by 7 would have been more accurate. But I'll be clear on a quiz or a test, stop disease, is what I want you to do. Either round it or not round it. If you didn't round it, you just have to keep it in your calculator, correct? Okay, cool. Questions? Anything else?